Pandemic now with COVID cases rising here and around the country. Oregon lawmakers are asking why the state health authority is not revealing certain information.
This is a question that we've been asking as well. Let's check in now with our Lisa Balick, who has been pushing for answers. And Lisa joins us live from South Portland. And Lisa, what can you tell us about what you've learned so far?
Well, it's a question I've been asking and not getting answers to for the past week or so, is how many breakthrough COVID cases are there in Oregon? Situations where somebody is fully vaccinated against COVID but came down with the virus more than 2 weeks after they were fully vaccinated. Now there are two state lawmakers from Portland who have a bill in the state legislature that would make the state answer that question and others. State Senator Michael Dembro of Portland and Representative Karin Power are sponsors of Senate Bill 719, and it's up for discussion and possibly a vote to move it to the floor for a full vote later this week. Now, the measure would require the Oregon Health Authority to release information from disease investigations unless that information would lead to identifying individuals. Now, the Oregon Health Authority had cited a privacy issue in refusing to release the numbers to me, but now it says it's working to get us those numbers of cases sometime later this week. Senator Dembrow told me, though, the state agency needs to be more transparent, especially when it comes to COVID information.
This pandemic has really revealed a hunger in the public for information about the disease, about how it's spreading, where the danger is. They need to know how to act, how to make rational decisions about their safety and their family's safety.
Now, I checked and found that at least a dozen states, now including Washington and Idaho, are providing numbers of breakthrough cases. Close to 100 in each of those states, Washington and Idaho, by the way. Knowing about these cases helps people understand that if you get the vaccine, it is not 100% effective. You still need to take precautions, again, when most people still are not vaccinated. There are other reasons we want this information. I'll have more on that coming up today.